Hey, what's up, folks? It's Anthony here at Zupo Mobile Ventures. Today we stopped by our Keystone house. That's about 2 hours away from where the storm Helene hit directly. So we're checking on the house. We had to get some trees cut down outside. We're checking on the inside, make sure there's no leaks, and just fixing and tightening up. So right now we're gonna fix this glass door. As you can see here, has no handle. So quick fix, just put that together. And we had to fix the screen door, check for leaks, and see if there's any other issues. So hang out and check us out. Alright, so just put this, like I said, very simple fix here. Just gonna get these two. Alright, and get those in place right there. Boom. Okay, so after getting the door fixed, as you can see there, then we just kind of walked around, checking the ceiling, kind of making sure, giving you guys the same view that we get, but just kind of looking through anywhere where we know water already comes in, and just making sure it's not coming in from anywhere else. So we always want to check the seams in the ceiling and make sure if there is going to be anything. Okay. And so far so good. We looked around the whole house, gave you guys a bird's eye view of what we look at. Make sure around all the windows it's clean and that there's no leaks. Typically you don't have to do this, but with a storm that big, it's good to just double check and make sure nobody wants to walk in on surprises. So as you can see, everything's looking good. Power's working. We're all good to go. Hey guys, so we fared really well considering what other people are going through, so we are definitely not complaining. We got the hooks hung up, as you can see. to put the cover over the patio, which goes up nicely. And then the yard is actually still looking pretty good. We got to get our tree guy back to get one tree off. Other than that, we should be good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.